Hey, I'm going to show you guys how to get boxer braids today. They are a trend that doesn't seem to be going anywhere, so here is my simple way to get them. So first I'm going to start with a center parting. You can use your comb to make it perfect. And you're just going to follow that all the way down to your nape. And I'm just going to tie one side off so that I don't accidentally pull hair from the opposite side. Now you want to brush your hair back and off of your face. It's easier to have your hair all running in the same direction that you are going to be going with your braid as opposed to trying to fight your natural fall. Now taking a diagonal back, you want to section out the front corner. And you're going to start by sectioning that into 3 to start your boxer braid. Now you want to start doing a reverse braid, so you want to put each piece underneath. And then you're going to collect hair as you go along.
I guess I'm not care about tomorrow. I care about tomorrow. I'm off the button, not to leave. I'm off the button, not to leave. I'm off the button, not to leave. Put the fire to the split, smoke away for release. I'm off the button, not to leave. I'm off the button, not to leave. I'm off the button, not to leave. Put the fire to the split, smoke away for release. Me, I drink pine and ginger. And want me for wine, but I think I'm in a play that. Me, I drink pine and ginger. And want me for wine, but I think I'm in a play that.
Once you get all the way down to the bottom, using a single hair elastic, tie off the end of the braid. Now repeat the exact same process on the opposite side of your head.
But she no play that, she a sip pine and ginger. Me tell her if you wine pan the thing, but she no play that, she have the rum in the sorrow. She tell me I drink her with my sorrows. She said me not care about tomorrow. I guess me not care about tomorrow.
Everybody's coping, whether drinking, whether smoking, whether writing out a song.
And there you have boxer braids.
Everybody's coping, whether drinking, whether smoking, whether writing down a song, pen to